So my name is Chris Frazier. I work at Curry Honda and I'm the recon manager for the used car department.
I'm Jameson Johnson with Athens Ford. I've been with Athens Ford since 2013.
My name is Carter Patton. I'm an estimator here at Patton Brothers Body and Frame here in Athens, Georgia.
Hey, I'm Joy. I'm an estimator here at Specialty Paint and Body in Athens, Georgia.
I'm Jacob Griffith. I'm with Elite Auto Collision in Athens. I'm the general manager of our location here.
My name is Scott Beaver. I am the owner of Arch Partners Insurance here in Athens, Georgia.
I've been with Elite for 5 going on 6 years, and we've done business with EZ Dent that entire period. I honestly think maybe going back 10 years probably as long as Elite's relationship has been with EZ Dent.
So we decided to use EZ Dent 10 or 15 years ago because they provide us with an excellent service that we can stand behind for our customers.
They're always around town. They have been around and they don't plan on going anywhere. Makes it where it's very easy to work with them, and if they're only a phone call away, and usually respond very quickly if there is something that we need.
EZ Dent is definitely set apart from the rest of the competition by the work that they do, the timeliness of it. Is something that they have a quick turnaround for me. Of course, in auto sales, we're in the now business, so they know if I give them a call, I'm usually gonna want something expedited. So that's definitely what sets them apart. It's just the caliber of work and how quickly they're able to turn it around for me.
I think it all starts with the people. The owner, Matt Moore, we have a great, outstanding relationship with him, and we trust their technicians. We just know that they're a local-owned company. We know who they are, we know what they stand for, and it lines up with the values of Elite and what we look for in quality and customer service for our customers, for our clients.
People are busy and it's faster, it's convenient, the location is great, and they've been in the community for years and easy to contact if there are any issues.
Using them personally, I know that they're going to do a good job for my client or for a friend. It may not be a client of mine, it may just be a friend or somebody in town that asks my recommendation with the industry that I'm in. Where can I take my car to get some dents or get it looked at, whether it's hail damage or just a minor door ding.
Just the trustworthiness that they're going to take care of the vehicle, not do any additional damage to it, to where I may have to come out of pocket or the store comes out of pocket for another expense. So just the trustworthiness there is something that I really like about using EZ Dent.
The type of work that they do and being able to do repairs that are more cost-effective, quicker, and better for the vehicle in a timely manner.
We trust that EZ Dent does the same quality repair and work, has the same relationship with those customers that we send to them as a representation of us.
The most important part about the used car department is having trustworthy vendors that provide an excellent and on-time service.
I know that I can give them a vehicle ranging from $10,000 all the way up to $100,000. If it needs something, they're going to take great care of it and not be able to tell that anything was ever done to the vehicle.
Thanks so much for watching. If you have a dent or ding on your vehicle and you'd like us to check it out, swing by our shop at 4015 Atlanta Highway here in Athens, or give us a call, 706-308-3368. Thanks again. Have a great day.